Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. You have found the right channel. I am so pleased that you're here. Please enjoy this video and please share it with somebody else. I appreciate it very much. I bought the Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour L'Oreal foundation in a powder. The shade I got is 330 Hazelnut. I thought that would work for me. And when I got home, I tried it and I noticed now, because I'm in the sun and everything, it's way lighter. So in today's video, I'm going to do another test with it, and I'm going to show you how to correct your base if it is a little too light for you. So we're going to play with hazelnut. This is what hazelnut looks like. I already have my primer on. I did put primer. I put a hydrating primer under my eyes, and then I put a matte primer in the rest of my face because I have very oily skin. Let us see how I put this powder foundation on and then correct it. So this is what this video is about. L'Oreal Press Powder Foundation in hazelnut. I tried it already once and I know it is too light for me at this time. It might be light, it might just be too light all around, but I know now I'm in the sun a lot, so that's why I'm saying that. We'll see when the cooler months come around what happens. And we are going to fix this thing today. It applies so nicely. This foundation applies really nice. I'm stamping in everything and then I will blend it. Because again, if I just start blending on my oily skin, it's not going to work. And I can tell you already, for the first time I wear it, I put it on, I went to Target, I came back, I cooked and everything, I had it on all day and it lasted really nice. It is truly a good foundation for oily skin. If you're looking for foundation for oily skin, this one is really good. Now I've stamped it in, so I am just going to blend it out. This foundation feels so light on my skin, so light. Is it a matte foundation? I need my glasses to see if this is matte, because this is so light, so nice on my skin. That I wanted to do this video to show you, because like I say, I used it once already. They say it is full matte waterproof foundation. That's why it held up so nice. Oh my god, I tell you, the first day in the hot sun at Target, this is really nice. But this is what hazelnut is looking like on my face. You see how much lighter it is? Take a look at my neck and take a look at my face. You see, it's so light. So now we're going to fix that and correct that and make it nice and presentable. The There are many ways you can fix that. You can fix it with a darker powder, go back over it with either a dark setting powder or a regular powder or another foundation like this, a darker one, and go over it and correct it. Or you can take a bronzer and bronze it and fix it up, and it will come out really nice. I'm going to take my Soft Focus finishing powder by Black Radiance because it's a little too dark for me, and I'm going to put over this because we're going to fix this color, because I can't go out looking like this. If I go, people will be like, oh, this is a mad woman. Okay, so I take this powder and I'm going to put right over it and fix this. Like I tell you, this Black Radiance is a little too dark for me. So I'm going to take this and put over it. So if you ever buy a powder and you don't have, you can't get to take it back, or it's too far, or it's just a waste of time to go back and take it back. Sometimes you buy it at a whole other location, somewhere that's not close to you, and they don't have another store close to you, so you can't take it back. Instead of throwing it away, you can do that. And if you notice, I'm not putting the dark powder under my eye because I want to keep that part of my face highlighted. So it works as a highlighter for me, and I just put powder all around the sections that I want to correct. So right now I just put a dark powder over it, and I'm just blending that out. And I take a big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything to make sure it's even. Now you can see the difference. You see, it's starting to look a little bit more like my neck. And this is what I did with the powder to fix it. So before it looked like I needed balance, now I put a little balance. Now I'll go a little further with it, and I'll put like a little bit of bronzer. So you can see there are many ways you can fix your color. Now this is what the complete face looks like. This is my left, I turn front, and this is my right. I fixed my foundation powder, which was too light for me, and make it where I can wear it now with adding my finishing powder, which is darker over it, and my bronzer. And like I say, if you don't have bronzer and you have a darker powder, you can put it over it and fix it, and that will be fine. And this is the finishing look. Thank you all for watching this video all the way to the end. I appreciate it very much. And remember that every day is a new day to make a new beginning. Every day is a new day to make a new beginning. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup, is saying to go out there, live life, have fun, be kind, be good to self. and I'll see you in the next video.